So a lot of people asked, how do you put a banner stand up? Well, inside the banner stand there's a little plastic core, and then bar is going to lock. We make all the banner stands with block-up material that's tear resistant, not cut resistant. So remember that when you're gluing back in, do not hit the sides of the banner stand. Get it up at waist height, simply tilt the banner stand back, bring it up, and lock it in the top. It's that easy. Now, little trick when you're going down with the banner stand, get it back into this position again, and just guide it down the center of the pole using your fingers, making sure that it goes right back in as straight as possible, all the way down. And in. Simple as that.